I'll walk you through how to reactivate your Facebook account. If you deactivated your account and want to get back online, it's a simple process. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the steps, here are some key things to know. Reactivation works if you deactivate your account. If you deleted it permanently, you only have 30 days to restore it before it's gone forever. To reactivate, you'll need your login email or phone number and password. Reactivation is instant upon logging back in. Your profile, friends, and posts will reappear as before. Now that we've covered the basics, let's go through the reactivation process. Here's how to reactivate your Facebook account using the mobile app. Launch the app and go to the login screen. Enter the email or phone number and password for your account. This action will automatically reactivate your account. Now tap on Continue to Facebook. Once logged in, check your profile and notifications to get back up to date. It's that easy. Your account is now reactivated. If you're having trouble reactivating your account, here are some quick tips. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password on the login page to reset it. If your account is temporarily disabled by Facebook, you may need to go through the account recovery process by following Facebook's prompts. Sometimes, Facebook may send emails regarding account issues. Look in your inbox or spam folder for any recent messages. These steps should help if you're having trouble logging back in. And that's it. Now you know how to reactivate your Facebook account and get back to connecting with friends. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.